2023 Rosso Corsa Ferrari SF90 Spider. New client brought it in. Unfortunately, the car had already been driven a couple of years before someone told him about us. And anyway, the car came in initially for PPF on the front only. Over the phone, he told me the car, or all of his cars, are meticulous. He maintains them himself. And I usually, if I haven't met somebody yet, I have to just take them by their word, but I also know that once I get to show them what the car really looks like, and that's always a given, because even brand new Ferraris need a major paint correction. I waited till the car came in, took videos, showed him what really was going on with the paint, and after seeing that, he said, you know what, go ahead, do the paint correction that's needed, and let's go ahead and PPF the entire car. So that's what we did. So now the car has been paint corrected, badly needed paint correction, by the way. The unfortunate thing is that because he drove it for over a year, almost 2 years, there was plenty of rock chips on the front already, which is really a shame for any car, but especially a car like this. So the next one hopefully will come to us straight from the dealership, so we can avoid all of that. But so now, like I said, paint correction done, full body PPF. He did not go for ceramic coating. I'm not sure if he understands what ceramic coating is. We'll find out. I don't ever push anything on anybody. I don't upsell anybody anything. I'll tell you what's available. And if you're interested and you ask about benefits, I'll explain them to you, but I will never steer you into something that I feel you're not interested in, or whatever the case may be. It's over time, if conversations come up, I'll explain the benefits to you. And if it's something that you feel is something that you want for your vehicles, then you can decide to do that, and we'll add the ceramic coating to it. But yeah, this car is, as usual, it's a beautiful Ferrari, no doubt about it. But also, as usual, paint corrections are always 100% needed on every Ferrari that has ever come to our shop. There are no exceptions, absolutely zero exceptions. So anybody who sees this, who has a Ferrari, who will be getting a Ferrari and is interested in work like this, if you take it somewhere and they do not mention paint correction, including showing you proof of the needed paint correction, of course, or if you think the dealer will do the PPF work, rest assured, no dealership, regardless of where they are, will do a paint correction for you. Because I've seen that. Everything I say in my videos it comes from experience. We have taken off PPF from cars done by the dealership, and once I take the PPF off, I show the client how bad the paint looks underneath. So if you have a Ferrari coming, please take this in consideration. And if you feel like talking to us, give us a call, and we could discuss what you possibly need.